Hey, welcome to Analog Voice. In this video we will be talking about tips on how to improve your singing voice. So we will be doing an exercise on ya. Why ya? Because that way you will feel everything open in the back of your throat. You want to make sure everything's open and that there's enough space for the sound to go. The higher you go, the more you hold your air back. Remember, before your passaggio or break area, you want to have enough air to actually drive the voice. You want to drive the voice, you want to get those vocal cords in motion. After the break, what's going to happen is that you need to do a switch. You need to start holding your air back so that you could just let the air out. Remember, air is the engine that drives the whole machine. But you just need just enough air to get those vocal cords in motion, and also you want to keep the back of the throat open, up and back into the soft palate, so that it could capture all of this resonance. Try not to place it too forward for the sound. I mean, some people say place the sound forward. You can't really place the voice anywhere. It's all about resonance. Anyway, so we will be doing an exercise like this. Ya. Just keep everything relaxed, and then the higher you go, as high as you can, and the higher you go, try to keep the top sound quieter. If it helps, maybe put a little bit of a cry into it so you could hold everything together. Remember, after you hit the break area or the passaggio area, the cricothyroid muscles will start working, and you just want to make sure that there's enough air to get those cricothyroid muscles working and tilting the larynx forward, so then the vocal cords will stretch and you will get to where you need to go. Anyway, ready? Let's go. Ya. Ya. Great. Ya. 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 Top note quieter. Ya. 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 Up and back. Ya. Great. Ya. Good. Ya. 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 And last one. Oh, so sorry. Ya. Anyway, I hope this helps you out, and I will see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, share it, and I hope you get something out of it. Take care.